Hey guys, welcome back to Empty Paradise's Cars and Collectibles. So today's video we have a case unboxing, but before we get started in that, I do want to mention I am currently doing a giveaway, and it's for this Lego Fast and the Furious Nissan Skyline GTR R34. This thing is absolutely amazing, even has a little Paul Walker minifigure with it. I'm giving this away for free. All you have to do is hop onto my merch store. I have all the rules and everything on there. But also, you do not want to miss out on this giveaway. It ends at the end of the month, so definitely go check it out. Link in the description down below. But let's go ahead and get started with this case unboxing. So as you can see, we have a Hotwheels E Case. And, I mean, the case is pretty beat up. I'm really worried, especially about this corner right here. Like, a lot of these cases I get, I just really wish the mail system would take care of it. Because, like, this is kind of upsetting. Like, so if I even get like a super treasure hunt and it happens to be damaged, that really sucks. We're gonna go ahead and carefully lay this on its side. I want to have like that damaged corner up on the top first, so we can kind of like pull those cars off and kind of deal with that before everything else. So let me go ahead and cut this open. But I will say a lot of the cars in this case will be on my merch store. So if you guys are interested, definitely go check it out. Link in the description down below. The cars that have like creases or any like major damage, I do not have listed on there, so don't worry. All the cars on there are in great condition. But let's go ahead, open this up, and go ahead and start up right on top and see what we got. Alrighty. So first up, we have the Street Wiener, and that actually kind of, where that damaged corner is, it did kind of mess up that card right there. We also have an Aston Martin 1963 DBS, and it is from James Bond. And we have a 57 Chevy. Next up, also in that kind of damaged corner. Yep, so that did kind of damage one of the cars, but we have a Pagani Zonda R, the GT Scorcher, and the 23 Ram 1500, and that right there is where you can see the case is crushed, and I think it just smushed the packaging, but didn't really crack it, but did mess up the card as well. So that's unfortunate. So definitely let me know if you guys are interested in some of the kind of damaged Hot Wheels. I might even make like a little clearance tab on my merch store and maybe put all the damaged ones on there like at a discounted rate. Let me know if you guys would be interested in something like that. I can actually do that. But we have the Cadillac Project GTP Hypercar. It's pretty cool. The Baja truck, and the Silverado EV RST. I got some awesome cars in this one. We got the Mazda RX-7 with that cool kind of Japanese police livery, 67 Camaro, and the 73 Honda Civic Custom. Now we have the Hot Wheel 4-track, the Volvo XC40 Recharge, and the Grass Chomper. It's interesting. I've never seen that one before, so it's kind of cool. Ooh, okay, we got some awesome cars again. So we got the Tankinator, which I think that's really cool. The 89 Mercedes-Benz 560 SEC AMG, and the Nissan Skyline GTR R33 with that Godzilla theme. Alright, so we have the 87 Audi Quattro, the Pontiac Aztek Custom, which is actually kind of cool, and then the 70 Dodge Charger RT. Alright, so we have a GT Scorcher, Alfa Romeo GT V6 3.0, and the Land Rover Series 2. One of these cars already kind of fell out. Oh, okay, so well, we got the Land Rover Series 2, another one, and that one's actually kind of damaged. We got the Shelby Cobra Daytona Coupe, but we have the Batman Forever Batmobile, and if you're not really sure why I got a little excited, this is actually the treasure hunt. You can see it there behind the car, the little treasure hunt logo, and let's see if I can kind of tip it up, show you guys the text behind the car. I don't know if you can really see that, but this right here is the treasure hunt for the case. And that is actually kind of cool. So I'm really happy that we did get the treasure hunt. I'm just kind of looking at the card. It actually looks really good. And there's no cracked blisters. So that is awesome. And every now and then I do see them do Batmobile regular treasure hunts. But typically there's a treasure hunt logo on it, and I do not see that. So I'm kind of curious if it's something super subtle or if they just didn't put it on here. But I think that looks really cool, and especially with the blue wheels on the black car, it looks amazing. But that right there is the treasure hunt for the case. So I'm just going to go ahead and set that aside, put the rest of these over here, and let's go ahead and move on with the rest of the case. Heck yeah, we got the T-Rex Royer, another Nissan Skyline GTR R33 Godzilla in the Cadillac Project GTP Hypercar. And we got a custom 72 Chevy LUV, Glory Chaser, and Corvette Stingray. Alrighty, so we got the 92 Honda Civic EG, Surf Duty, and another Alfa Romeo GT V6 3.0. That is the first half of this case. Let's go ahead and pull out the divider and get to the other half. Starting up right on top. Alright, so we have a Piranha Terror, a Flippin' Fast, which is really cool. It's kind of like a fidget spinner car, and there's like the top of the car, but it also has another top on the bottom. So no matter which way you have it, it's technically a functioning car, and you can still put it on a track either way, so that's pretty cool. And then a Street Wiener. Alright, let's go right up here on this side. Oh, we got some cool cars. This one, we got the Mustang Funny Car, the 91 Mazda Miata MX-5, and the 89 Mercedes-Benz SEC AMG. Alright, we got another Mazda RX-7, another Glory Chaser, and we have a Fast and the Furious Ice Charger. It's actually the one that has like the little EMP in the back, and that looks pretty cool. So we did not get the Super Treasure Hunt. If we did get the Super, it would have been this car, the 60s Fiat 500D Modificato. So we did not get the Super, but that still looks pretty cool. 91 Mazda MX-5 Miata, and another Silverado EV RST. Man, that's too bad. Well, at least we did get the regular treasure hunt, but there are also some really cool cars in this case, so definitely stay tuned while we go through the rest of these. We got the Monster High Ghoulmobile, another Piranha Terror, and a Land Lowrider. Right there. Oh, this one's kind of shaped odd. Okay, I see why. We have a 92 Honda Civic EG, a 67 Chevy C10, and a Boom Car. Alright, we got another 87 Audi Quattro, 73 Honda Civic Custom, and a 73 Jeep J10. Ooh, okay, that's kind of cool. So we got the... I just flipped it around and saw two tabs completely bent back, so that's disappointing. But we got the Brick and Delivery and the 2015 Jaguar F-Type Project 7, the damaged card, and a 23 Ram 1500 with a damaged card. That's actually like packing error. Like that's actually pretty disappointing. Alright, we have another Flippin' Fast, Hot Wheel 4-track, and a Vespa 90 SS Super Sprint 1966. Alright, we got a 2020 Ram 1500 Rebel, a DeLorean Alpha 5, and another Ice Charger. Got another 67 Chevy C10, another Pontiac Aztec Custom, another 73 Jeep J10. It actually has a really cool K&N kind of design there. All right, and the last three for this case, we have a Roadster, a 2010 Camaro SS, and a Roger Dodger. And it's actually the kind of leap year one, the February 29th. It kind of has like that February 29th theme on it, so that's pretty cool. But that right there is the Hot Wheels E Case, and we did not get the Super, but there's still some really awesome cars in that case. And like the majority of these I will have on my merch store. So if you guys are interested, there's going to be links in the description down below. Hop on, grab yourself some of these cars, automatically get entered into this giveaway. So definitely go check it out, link in the description down below. But if you guys did like this video, definitely go down, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you want to see more videos like this and a lot of other awesome Hot Wheel and other kind of collector videos. But as always, thank you for watching.